underground mine equipment. The first thing I'll talk about is the jumbo is also a drilling machine. Let me take this one. It's also a drilling machine, so it is very hard for you to see it outside. It's always underground. It is used for drilling holes. It is used to drill holes, but holes now a horizontal holes, and as I make us straight holes. And I say be inclined holes, but inclined, it's 90. It can't create up holes. You see, yesterday when I was talking about the underground mining, I said we have the overhand drilling and the underhand drilling. When we talk about the overhand drilling, it means that we are drilling upwards. It's not form the drilling across. And your underhand drilling, see a drill, a form a stroke near drill above form. And then we also have development drill. Drills in this are development drills. And let's say this is our underground. This is our face. Yes, the jumbo will come and stand here. This is my jumbo. It will stretch its boom. Normally, I will through booms. Now, they are drilling in this direction. So you see, development, they drill in direction. We also have the solo. Let me talk about the solo. Solo is also a up holes. So let's say the solo can be here. On the booms are but on not really up holes. It is. And then down holes. Sometimes it's about down holes. So echo down. So that's for the jumbo and then the solo. Normally, the jumbo is also used for support. Yeah, so this is a picture of the solo. Solo, now so a drill rig. But it's just that up can be asked different between the solo and then the jumbo. The solo is used for up or let's say vertical drills, whilst the horizontal drills we use the jumbo. Now, in underground, we also have the LHD, load, haul, and dump. That's the meaning of the LHD, load, haul, and dump. It is I would say it is a dangerous machine underground. If you are working around this machine, you should be very, 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 very careful. Yes, this is the jumbo. This is how the jumbo works. So you see the booms are here. It attacks the rock horizontally. Now a fire. Now a creative holes in underground. Now this is the loader. Or I'll say people will say bogger. Bogger, this is how it looks like. Let's look at it very well. You see, if you look at the loader we use and then the loader we use in surface, you can see a clear difference. Surface near very big and tall in terms of height. But if you look at this loader, the height is not like the ones we use in surface. This is short. Why? Because of our roof. We don't want to destroy our roofs. So that's for the loader. Now, if you are working around the loader one, it produces a lot of heat. A bow heat. And then if the operator is in, the operator will not see you around. So normally, if the loader is working on a certain floor, where I was, Newmont, they have some lights, radar lights, not a trust circle. To draw that who's light in the part, it means that there is a loader working there. So you have to ensure positive communication between yourself and then the loader operator. Let the loader operator know that you are around. A bit more for car so without knowing. Yes. A bit more for car so cry without the notice a car cry or So those who work underground or those who are trying to work in underground, whenever you see this machine, be very, very careful. So there is a technique that I saw when I went to Newmont. I in such a way say nipa, say Newmont, or let's say every mining company when you are going down, you wear your reflective vest or attire. There should be a reflector in your attire. So there are some sensors at the buckets. So when the sensor, there's a small light, when the light sees or notice that there is a reflective vest there, the system will shut down. System nankasa be doom. And yes, an operator or the sour, you will not even see you. And that is the dangerous thing. You will not even see you. We know that your tag is on the tag board. The tag board is when we are going underground, lock your tag and our board. So by you don't put the one underground. Will be amba. You say this person is not there, and that will be the only thing you will know that your tag is on the tag board. So that is the loader or the bugger. If you are working around it, be very so. This is it's how it's loose light. You should be very, 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 very careful when you are working around the loader. So all these things underground. Yes. So it's used for mocking. So you can see how it's loose. And let me use the opportunity to talk about this one. This is the dump truck we use underground. Got it very well. You can see that the surface mining equipment and then the underground mining equipment, they are almost the same, but the difference is the height. The difference is the height. Look at dump truck using underground. Look at the height. The height is not like what we saw in surface. Surface, the height never. But in underground, we consider our roof. And you see, you bought ventilation bags, and I said ducts. That's the mining term, the ventilation ducts. And I saw become vent bags. And you say, oh, you see equipment work a crabia, a better vent bag now. A vent bag now. The flow of air will cease, and the people will suffer. The people will suffer. So this is the dump truck we used in underground. Yes, so you can see the operators going in and out, all these things. Yes, so this is a solo. What I just bypassed the solo. Now, let me talk about the jumbo. The jumbo, it uses both electricity and fuel. Yes, the jumbo uses both electricity and fuel. When it is strumming or when it is moving, say a movie, it uses diesel. It uses diesel when it is moving. But then, say a air driller, it uses electricity. Note this. The jumbos, it uses both electricity and the power that it uses, it's a very high voltage. So you wouldn't joke with the jumbo. When I'm working as an offsider in underground, one of the difficult works in underground, according to me, one of the difficult works in underground is offsiding or offsiding a jumbo. It is not easy. And mostly it is operated by the white men. All right, so jumbo, that's we're talking about the LHD or the bugger. That is the actual name. We also have the IT. That is the buckets. Buckets now, I've shown you that picture. Just to work at height. If you want to work at height, that is what we use. So this is an explosive truck we used underground. And also now I'm saying host now bono. I thought that I apples and you use baskets. You stand in the baskets, you go up, you charge, then you come down just like that. They say they call it nomets or chamets.